Enigie in various dukedoms in Benin Kingdom under the Oba of Benin. In view of the letter written by the Enogie of Egbaen Siluko and his cohort to the Governor of Edo State, His Excellency Governor Godwin Enogie Obaseki, titled Please Constitute Traditional Council for Edo South Local Government Area of the State of Edo State. We, the Enigie of various dukedoms in Benin Kingdom, under the Most Reverend Oba of Benin, respectfully write to inform the Benin Traditional Council and the general public that we are not and can never be part of such evil plan targeted to distract our ever dependable and focused first-class king, the Oba of Benin, and hereby distance ourselves from such rebellious, sacrilegious acts by the Enogie of Egbaen Siluko and the Enogie of Ewobanosa and his cohort. This news of this unfortunate letter to the Edo State government stating that the Enigie from various dukedoms in Benin Kingdom, South, is seeking for the Edo South Traditional Council that went viral, having the signatories of others Enigie in Benin Kingdom, was done out of total deceit and recalcitrant Enogie of Egbaen Siluko and the Enogie of Ewobanosa. We, the Enigie in Benin Kingdom, is forever standing firmly with our most reverend first-class king, the throne of Omonobanedu Ukwabolokbolo Oba Eware II, and wholeheartedly disassociate ourselves from such evil and rebellious plan by Enogie Egbaen Siluko and his cohort. To this end, the Enogie in Benin Kingdom want to use this medium to reiterate that Enogie of Egbaen Siluko is no longer the chief coordinator of Enigie in Benin Kingdom, Edo South, because he has since been removed by His Royal Majesty Oba of Benin as the chief coordinator of the Enigie, which took effect from 3rd January 2023. Henceforth, every other Enigie in Benin Kingdom should desist from holding any further meeting with him. He is only presently titled to oversee the dukedom he was assigned by His Royal Majesty to oversee for him, which is Egbaen Siluko Road, Egbaen along Siluko Road. We therefore demand that the said Enogie Egbaen Siluko and his cohort should, with immediate alacrity, retreat with evil intent, letter, and publicly apologize to Benin Traditional Council, the entire Benin Kingdom, and the world at large within the next 7 days, as more punitive verdict will be directed towards them. Oba Gatokbe.
You know what Kababa Bamudino, we made me aware. Edo Kata or where go batile. Or what Ataba. A matana no sooner. Me nephew kiki, me mama my vow. Atie me fire team. When I team with a phone, when I dig back that we're going to have the governor Yeri. Iria Montana Egbaen, it is Egbaen. When I had a chat down list, and I had been in it. Me now with Ayagago, no new way to Ayagago. I give me in a fair. I went my have equality. Anyway, I'm not going to have equality. They're talking about equality. They are the only way. You get away now, so someone is enough you wait for water. Me, if you were at table, if not doing when I mean not tap, you know, I agree when the next day I tell us not when I fair. You know, I can't go now, and I got only. That was really matter. so me wo oba atokpe e mo po ni aya do na e ka ta ma wa taba era me no yo ma me kini ye na
e de na send e bi na magago awa ka mi ma we na dige yeah, we a politician so the or no ma wa se ba na agbeni for before amaga go there na
body must stop Egbaen Mati me wa ye over 10 years ogun me wa arrest suspension about 2013 and
this word
we last year now 2022 I had to do pronounce me back ni ya gba woman as a Enogie of Utekon we on the 16th of December last year anati reform àwọn meeting na do wodo Egbaen na we meeting ohin anawo mege so no raze a treasury Enigies na akianga anati ina akia megi seva anawe awa ati me for the past 2-3 weeks amamiere wanu bi ati meni maybe ati yan were gbe but yan ma imwe ko ime megi seva na ndo kamewe igoro na akianga be na that nika do gbeni ebe na mula jan the position Egbaen image it was 90 position. That's right. Nina gbeni nina total ogido sege igo no ga be roto ze igo Enigie kianga about 9 million plus agi ga go ni gba Enigie ni ga rewa si ba 100 something Enigie ni ga rewa 106,000 ona so won ogi si mo bo me ikepa lese ni ga ata awe be ni Egbaen me na ka me Egbaen ni meye wa ogi ame wa suspension for so many years de awe na we ro pa je gwa me to bi me tele ni ne ya oni jimo a je gwa ni ra me omo no ba ne do no de gbe pronounce ni me ni ya gba o we as Enogie na we yet de ni ya vi onere ni me ya jimo a igie ni awe ni pro ni suspend mo ani ne e na ka mi ya we iyan ore 3 days iba e na pa eri ni na vi are gbe na ya jimo a je gwa viji mo e ma na be de gbe gba television de o gbe ebe ni ara Egbaen ni imo bowo imagbu yan do egbi koweri o imo bo na yari o bo yin rare era no ne no mu eti no ma ido ka we yeri yo mebe meti ne gbe ni aya aga woji iya ka we o de gbe ri je iro da omo no ba me no vi oba ibe do ka wi meri ovi omo no ba
awa
gbe meri Enogie ne ovi omo no ba meri e bi no we ni meri oweji e me kan ri oweji baba na eni roto eni kinbe ni mese eni oba atokpe ewa ogidi gan atokpe
o kiane na we etima sukia o kiano no ba o kiano keke edeni agede tima ni ma die Egbaen
long story
arisi Egbaen e o di mo do Egbaen ini na san so gba edeneterio anotari severio we no keke why no pogi wa lima o keke na be ari egwa na ya na be atama we gi no so edero pa me give la egiwe ke gba gese so gba o ke no kiani oyo mo ne no fugbe ye o wa ọmọ no figbo iwa edo mo yeye muda ya no bo wa ye edo e bo wa ye iko so baba na ya o kiani okay akei miewe ke edero pa mi magide gbe ile ni a ihia me ile ni a we ni a kia se ni a we mi se mi magide gbe ile ni a lu so e wa ni kimeke wo we na won bowo oba atopo
Islam
na tana bin makabi mwaye makagwa begele e
awa ye mu dia
mwaye mege na ya wa edoje oba mabo
oba atokpe
mege no ya gba that's the truth
Mahia Mutia, yo, every Mahiano. Your man, my see, and then a man who bought me right, no time. I win in cupboard. Okay, I believe, I have that belief they will all come back and beg. Only men because my nigga, my eye, you born here for it.
We are here categorically because of the news that are going on, social media that went viral. We are here to tell the world that we are not part of that move. And again, we are here to tell the world that we are sons of the Oba, that we respect our culture and will not give anybody any room to toil with our kingdom or our culture. That is why we are telling the general public now that Enogie of Egbaen, Siluko, is no longer the chief coordinator that the Oba gave to him. Oba himself, Israel Majesty, remove him on the 3rd of January. So please, and again, we thank you, everyone that are part of this press crew. We thank you all. God bless you. But before then, we need to sing Edo national item. Because if you are a true son of Edo, you must know how to sing the Edo national item. We all will rise up and sing it to the Oba. Agbobasili, Obanyedo.